So there we are, all ready to lower the trailer onto the ball hitch. We've got the safety strap attached. It's just a case now of winding this down until it clicks into place. And it's important to make sure that this locking lever here is above the actual ball hitch, so that cannot become unlocked now. Okay, there we go, just the electrics to attach and the jockey wheel to take out. Just undo this lever here. And there's the jockey wheel out. Not meant to fall out like that, but there we go. It's out. Just tighten that clamp up firmly and put the jockey wheel in the boot of the car, and we're ready to take Kerensa to Gweek Boatyard.